Detty Maharani, you cooking and baking, and this song is just for you. So Detty Maharani cooking and baking, and she showing what she do. So Detty Maharani, I'm that Jada, and I'm singing a song for you. Santa Detty Maharani, everyone, she gonna cook and bake for you. Santa, when you going over just to check her out, she show me love when she cooking the food. Her food over there just looking so good because that's just what she do. Over there in the Asia doing nothing, and she showing about the cooking to say. Showing how she cook around the whole wide world, and she gonna do the things her way. I'm saying that Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking and doing what she like to do. Saying that Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking, oh yes, I see you what you do. I'm saying that Detty Maharani, the holding it down, and yes, I wanna say thank you. I'm saying that Detty Maharani, to hold it down because it's just what we gonna do. Saying that if you go over there to learn about food, she gonna put them food in some steps. So you can do the same thing in Robin out and when she put them up in the steps. She will cook and bake and talk to you, but still she will go and hold it down. Just shipping up all that food right now to make my grown belly now. I said the Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking, you know it just what she do. Said the Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking, I wanna go and shout out you. Said the Detty Maharani, that I'm that Jada, I'ma doing this song for you. Said the Detty Maharani, cooking and baking, oh yes, and she would cook it true. They said that if you want something to eat, you need to go and check her out. She over there just cooking up, she might give you a shout out. She also doing that baking goods and the food just looking so good. Said the Detty Maharani holding down the end, yes, she's so good. I said the Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking, she doing what she likes to do. Said the Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking, oh yes, she would keep it true. I'm saying the Detty Maharani, hold it down, the way she gonna cook that food for you. Saying the Detty Maharani will pop in stairs and you stepping it up for you. I said that when she's over there cooking the food, I wanna go and take it down. Because that food looking good to me, making me wanna eat it right now. Said the food looking tasty from for me, and I wanna eat her up that plate. So Detty Maharani, keep it down, and I sing it out today. Saying that Detty Maharani, cooking and baking, she cooking and she cooking for who? Saying that Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking, she gonna show some love to you. Saying the Detty Maharani, the cooking and baking, oh yes, and I will say your name. Saying the Detty Maharani, I am Jada, and I thanking you to own this thing. I said that hey, I wanna eat the food, so keep doing you, and I'm gonna shout at you. This is Detty Maharani, just cooking and baking when we own this beat, own this beat.